top of the top, y'all. So we're with part 2 of the whole tuning issue or whatever, but we're on to the next. Back to the tuning software. It could be that maybe the rev limiter got switched through the tune. I don't know. So we're gonna assess the power and we're gonna retune it on the bass map till I get my other power metrics tune. And yeah. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna retune it and then I'm gonna test drive it on the way to work, and hopefully it doesn't do it no more. So let's get the show started. So I still think I should go with the bass map, TBH. Definitely go with the bass map. It's a play it safe just to keep moving and shit. So here we go. Flash Pro currently. See calibrations. I don't want full. Maybe that's what's fucking it up, dude. I don't know. Let's go back on the bass map tune though. And I think this is right here. The rev limit, full throttle. I think that's, you see that right there? Hopefully, well, let me uncheck this sheet. I'll be back in a couple minutes. Car's tuned. Starts up, warming it up. And like I said, on the way to work, I'm gonna test it, see if it still sputters. I'm hoping it doesn't, but it should be fine. It doesn't do it! So it wasn't tuned the whole time. I'm about to go on a canyon cruise today. I'm not gonna romp on the car like crazy because I'm still on the bass map. I'm just gonna have fun, you know what I mean? And just get away from the city for a bit time. And I got this little road that I like to go to a lot. And it's a very technical road, but I'm gonna drive moderate, mild, you know, not too crazy, like I said. Follow me on Conscious Eye Media. Follow me at Life of Drewski for all the cool edit photos of my personal car. Subscribe below, comment below, like the button. Not like the button to smash the like button. You feel me? What else would it be saying? What else would YouTube be saying? Oh yeah, share my shit. You feel me? Like I feel like I got some dope content, and this is gonna get better and better and better and better. I'm learning how to do this shit. You feel me? But I got the vision, and I'm gonna keep working at this shit. You know what I mean? It's a little hot today. It's been kind of cold lately. We got 80 degrees. It's a little warm, you feel me? So yeah, probably out there's gonna be a little hotter because that should be dry as fuck. But yeah.
Barrel.